Okay, let's go to page 52 and start with number 1. Again, read upon. So read and translate say Amy. So that's A. Has means equal. $8 and it's less than. So it'll be $8 less than Maria. Okay, Amy has $8 less than Maria. Okay, and together, so that means A plus M, right? Together, they have $30. Okay, how much money does each girl have? Okay, so again, when you translate, right, write things down as you read. Okay, so again, Amy has $8 less than Maria. Together, so that means Amy and Maria has $30. Okay, so now all you have to do is solve. So substitute this into here. So M minus A plus M equal to 30. So work it out. So you got 2M minus A equal to 30 plus 8 on both sides. So you got 2M equal to 38. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So M equal to $19. Okay. And then you can substitute back into here. So A equal to 19 minus 8. So Amy has $11. Okay, let's go to the next one, number 3. Okay, so a music dealer runs a sale of records and tape. Records are reduced to $7 each and tape to $7.50 each. Okay, so R equal to $7 each and tape equal to $7.50 each. Okay, you can write it down. Okay, so dealer sold 60 more records. So you can remember when you have 2 items, you move it to the front, right? So you can remember the technique. So when you have 2 items, so dealer sold 60 more records. So you want to move the record to the front. So record is 60 more than tape. Okay. Okay. So that's going to do that. So R is 60 more than tape. And for the total, so total value, okay, so okay, so this is R is, so I'm going to let R equal to number of records. Okay, so you're going to have a $7 times number of records plus $7.50 times number of tape, and this will equal to total of 2,650. Okay, so again, $7 for each record times number of records, and $7.50 for tape times number of tapes equal to that value. Okay, so again, this is a substitution kind, so substitute this into here. So 7 times 60 plus T plus 7.5 times T equal to 2160. Okay, so let's go and work out the math. So it'll be 420 plus 7T plus 7.5T equal to 2160. Okay, combine the like terms. So you get 420 plus 14.5T equal to 2160. Okay, so minus 420 on each side. So you got 14.5T equal to 0.471740. Divide by 14.5. Divide by 14.5. So T equal to, look at the calculator. So 1740 divided by 14.5 equal 120. Okay, the number of tape equal to 120. So now you can substitute into here. So R equal to 60 plus 120. So R equal to 180. Then, you only ask for how many records. So you don't need this. Okay, you don't need this. So all you need is the record. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 5. Again, read through. Is the perimeter of a certain basketball court. Okay, so again, basketball court is a rectangle, so that label length, width, length, width. Okay, so that's going to read, so perimeter, so P equal to 266 feet. Again, write down all your information. And its length, so length equal to 35 feet. Oh, more than its width. Okay, from the dimensions of the court. Okay, so so first you have to figure out the perimeter, right? So the perimeter is adding all four sides, so substitute. So perimeter is equal to the W plus L plus W plus L equal to 266, right? So again, this is your perimeter, right? Then after you substitute, whenever you see equal, you substitute. So this one is this one it can becomes 35 plus W, right? So that is the L plus the W, that's this one here, plus the next L is 35 plus W equal to 266, okay? And after that, go and combine your like terms, so you're going to get 4W plus 70 equal to 266. So minus 70, so you got 4W equal to 196, divide by 4, so W equal to 49, okay, feet. Okay, so once you find that, you can use this one to find L. So L equal to 35 plus W, right? So L equal to 35 plus 49, so L equal to 484. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, it says the measure of the supplementary of the angle is, okay, so you have two angles, okay? So this is a supplementary angle, means 180. Okay, and over here, what you want to do, you're going to call this X, right? That's your second angle is your reference, okay? So it says a measure of the supplementary of the angle. So this one is 12 degrees greater than the 3 times measure of a complement. Okay. So we have to do this over here. So this is X, and let's go and call this Y. So this is the complement, okay? And so this is going to be, so measure the supplementary angle. So this is your supplementary angle, this is your complementary angle. So this supplementary angle is 12, greater than means plus 3 times the measure of a complementary angle, that's a Y. Right, so that's your complementary angle, and you're looking for the angle. Okay. So again, you got two variables. Okay. So you can do this. Obviously, you got 12 plus 3y plus x equal to 180. Okay. And over here, you got x plus y equal to 90. And I'm going to rearrange this over here. So x plus 3y, I'm going to minus 12 on both sides. So that looks similar. Okay. So you're going to get 168. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to eliminate the x. So these two equations look similar. So you're going to use elimination method. So I'm going to eliminate. So I'm going to multiply this by -1. So I got negative x minus y equal to negative 90. And I'm going to put this under here. Okay, so I can eliminate the x. So again, all these are from algebra 1. Okay, so this will cancel out. So I got 2y equal to 8 and 78. Okay, double check. Okay, you divide by 2, so y equal to 3, 9. Okay, so once you find y equal to, but this is not what you're looking for. You're looking for the measure of the angle. Okay, you're looking for x. So you go and use this one over here. So x plus 39 equal to 90. So minus 39 minus 39. So x equal to 51 degrees. Okay, and that's it. So just a matter of reading the problem and carefully and write down all the information and translate correctly. Okay, number 9. Okay, so you got two airplanes. Okay, one flew east and one going west at 10:30 a.m. Okay, the one going east is 560 kilometers per hour, and the one going west is 640 kilometers per hour. I can write down all your information, right? At what time? So you don't know the time. So going at the same time. So at what time? So first you have to figure out how many hours, right? So the distance would be 2100 kilometers. Okay. Okay. So this distance is going to be 640 miles per hour times time. Okay. Plus this distance 560 times time. So again, this is this distance over here. This is this distance over here, and this will equal to 2100. Okay. Okay. So now you can go and solve. So you're going to get 1200 T equal to 2100. Divide by 1200. Divide by 1200. So T equal to, and you can go ahead and reduce by 3. So it would be 1 3/4 hours. Okay. So the time you take would be 1 hour, and so 3/4. Again, look at the clock. 3/4 would be 45 minutes. Okay, but this is not answer. This is how long they fly. But they start at 10:30 a.m. Okay, so you have to add 10:30. Okay, you have to add this together. So the time on the clock would be 11:75. But 60 minutes we carry one into the into 1 hour, right? So 60 minutes will become 1 hour. So this become 12:15. But since it's 12 o'clock, so this will be p.m. Okay, and that's it. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so this is a coin. So a jar has 40 coins and contain dimes and quarters. So dimes and quarters. Okay, so this is number of dimes, number of quarters. Okay, so right away we know that the number of dimes plus number of quarter will equal to 40, right? And the total value, so equal to 490, okay? So from here we can see that, so each dime is 10 cents. Okay, you have to be careful now. This is, so we're going to use cents, okay? So each dime is 10 cents times number of dime plus 25 cents for 1 quarter times number of quarter. This will equal to 490 because we use cents. So we have to change the $4.90 into cents. So you have to be consistent. Okay, so now what we're going to do is go and work out, so you got 10D plus 25Q equal to 490. And I'm going to multiply this by -10 because I want to eliminate the D. Okay, so you can use elimination method. So -10D minus 10Q equal to -400. And I'm going to put this over here. So you can, all this is your basic algebra 1. Okay. So this will cancel out, and I get 15Q equal to 90. Divide by 15, divide by 15. So Q equal to 6. Okay, then after that, I'm going to put over here to solve for the D. So D plus, so you can use this equation over here. So Q is 6. So minus 6 on both sides. So I got D equal to 34. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 13. two planes leave Wichita at noon, one going east, and one going west. Okay, so one going east and one going west, and so they leave at noon. So one plane going east, so this R equal to 30 miles per hour faster than the other plane. So I'm going to call this X. Okay, so this R equal to X. So this one's going at X, and this is going to be 30 miles per hour faster than that. Okay? So both are leaving at the same time, so both will have the same time, right? Okay, at what time will it be 1,200 miles apart? Okay, so again, the distance equal to 1,200 miles apart. Okay, so again, so this distance, okay, so let's see. Okay. Well, this one the distance over here would be the speed is x times time. So this would be this distance over here, and this distance would be the speed would be 30 plus x times time. And so this distance is this distance is this, and this will equal to total 1,200 miles. Okay, and that's all the information you have. Okay, you have two variables, but you have only one equation. So this one you cannot solve. Okay, so this one not enough information. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's go to the next one. Okay, so John drove part of the 260 kilometer trip. Okay, so you have this trip over here. So it'd be the distance is equal to 260 kilometers, and he drove part of these. So drove part of this at 80 kilometers per hour, and the rest of them at 100 kilometers per hour. Okay. From the distance he traveled, from the distance, so you're looking for distance over here. If the total driving time equal to 2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, so again, let's go through here. So first we don't know what the time is. So let's go and call it the time. Let's go and call it x. Okay, or let's go and call it t1. I call it t2. Okay, so over here, this distance would be 80 times t1. Okay, that's the distance plus the 100 times t2, right? So r times time equal to distance. This will equal to total distance of 260. Okay, and then we're going to have the total time. So you got t1 plus t2 equal to 2.5. Okay. Let me see. Double check. Okay. So that's going to work it out. So so you're going to get 80 T1 plus 100 T2 equal to 260, and I'm going to multiply this by negative 80. I'm trying to eliminate the T1. Okay, so be negative 80 T1 minus 80 T2 equal to 200 negative. Okay, substitute into here. So negative 80 T1 minus 80 T2 equal to 200. So you got 20 T2 equal to 60. Divide by 20, divide by 20. So T2 equal to 3 hours. Okay, but this is impossible because the total time is 2 hours and 30 minutes. So the part of it cannot be more than the total. So this one is impossible. So in this case, we no solution. because it's impossible. Okay, so T2. Okay, because this part is going to take 3 hours, so but the total is only 2.5 hours, so that's why it's impossible. Okay, so there's no way that it can happen.